Which stock would you like to buy? The up and down one or continuously going up stably? Today, I will give you what kind of the strategy you can look into in order to buy the right-hand side one, the more stable growing up stock. Today, this video is very important if you want to make more money and if you want to save your time instead of doing up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down like this. And I will also give you the strategy for the left-hand side one. In case if you bought it, what is your strategy? So today, this video is very important. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money. This video just for education purpose. We don't recommend you to buy any stock. So now we look at this NVIDIA. This is not right now. This is a historical pattern. This one basically is continuously going up. And some stock is like up, down, up, down, up, down. What is the difference? Okay, how can be some stock like this, some stock up, down, up, down? Okay, before I tell you the trick, I have told you before also, we need 3 factors in order to trade stock successfully. One is to know the trend. Number 2 is to know the funding, to know where does it come in, and also the percentage, do they really hold by institution or by the individual? Number 3 is buy, sell point. Today, I will focus on point 2 about the funding, okay? And this video is very important. And I know most of the indicator, the free indicator, they don't give you this kind of information. And I hope I can change a little bit mindset of the trading. So this video is very important. If you want to know this kind of information, click like, subscribe to my channel and share with your friend, and I really hope this will benefit you. So now we look at, this is Alibaba. You can see this is up, down, up, down, up, down trend. Okay, let's say we don't know the trend. We just look at the funding. Look at this. How many green chips here? What does it mean, green chips? By the way, this is my indicator bundle. This is YM chips to tell you this is the percentage of the lock chips, which is mainly the individual, or the institution chips, the red one, okay? So you can see this one have a lot of green chips here. So they basically, the red chips is not stable also. So when we have a lot of green chips, basically, is it easy for the stock to go up, to pull all the way up? No, because individual is very emotional. They influenced by the news, by the interest rate a lot. For example, I know so many friends, when they have like a dividend news, they will message me. When they have like inflation news, inflation rate news, or interest rate news, they get so emotional. Oh, people buying and then they buy. People selling and then they sell. That's why sometimes when you hold by the individual, this is not a good thing. It's difficult for the stock to pull up. Okay, so when it's held by the institution, what happened is the stock easily going up because the direction, they have a strategy how to go, like they have an intention to go up. This one, the individual is everyone, they have different feel. So like one say, oh, buy, another one say sell. So it's very frustrating and emotional by the news. Okay, so remember, emotional is your money killer, so it's not good. So we need to look for a stock, or we need to wait for the stock to clear the green area. Okay, when the green area is finished, it will, when it's only red and the best is over 75, and then they will go up. They will start to go up. Okay, so for example, I show you one more. This is snow. Snow is the same thing. They have been up and down like this. Even if I use YM clock long, this is a trend indicator. Okay, sometimes it's going up, but it's still very frustrating. You see, go up and they have a big pullback. Go up, pull back. Go up, big pullback. Even they drop below the blue line. So is it good? No, because it's very difficult for you to make money from this kind of stock. Okay, and for Alibaba, it's the same. If you look at the blue line, even they go up, and then they down a lot, up, and then they down, up, and then they down, and then they drop through the blue. So it's very, very frustrating for this kind of stock because they have a lot of green inside and not enough red. So I told you, minimum the red, you need to reach 50% and no green, then you are safe. Okay, and then the best is 75, but it starts from 50, right? So it's good. Okay, so now go back to, if you have this kind of stock, what should you do? Well, there's one way. You need to trade with YM Club fast. So basically what happened is you buy when the stock, okay, let me hide this. You buy when the stock go up the red line, and the red line will turn the direction. You sell when they drop below the red line. So this is one of the strategy. You buy here, you sell here. Okay, don't ask me how come you cannot sell at the top, but you already profit a lot from here to here. Okay, you sell here, you buy here, you sell here. Okay, and then basically here when it's all the way down, do you buy? No. Okay, and even you buy here, even you buy here, you sell here, you still make, in general, you still make more profit than you lost. Okay, you buy here, you sell here, and you buy, you sell. So which is quite good strategy if you have this indicator bundle. By the way, you can unsubscribe anytime. So check it out, and this is very benefit, especially the right now the situation. If you check your stock, if you have a lot of green bars with this indicator, you use the red line strategy. Okay, but ideally, if you follow, if you are my student, or if you have my indicator, I really prefer you to trade stock with a lot of red, at least no green. Nothing is green here. Okay, is it clear? Click like right now if you like this kind of content. Okay, so now we look at snow. Is it the same? Okay, blue is going up. Let's say you buy here. Blue is going up, but look at here, we still have a lot of green, right? So it's like up, down, up, down. Okay, so it's quite an easy way to do. By the way, actually, when we have a stock, remember wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. When we go up, we have 5 waves. And when we have, let me see if I can do. This is the chart for the stock market. When it's going up, it's 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when it's going down, it's ABC wave. Okay. And we have more complicated rules for how to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, and ABC as well. So anyway, so for 1 and 2, basically, I will share with you later how to compare these two about the YM cheapest. What happened with the red? What happened with the green? Just remember we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And usually wave 3 is the longest bull one. It's the longest bull one. Okay, so now we go back to the chart. Let's look at this Alibaba. Or let's look at the, actually look at this chart is better, easier. Okay, so now we look at this NVIDIA chart. NVIDIA chart, what happened is when we are going down, basically here is finished, but you don't know it's finished, right? And you just look at this chart, and now we know it's finished because we look back the history. But if you look at this, wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, and look at this YM cheapest, what happened is when we have lots of green, basically this is the bear market, right? ABC. But when we start, when you see the red is going up, does it look like this is wave 1? Okay, and they boom, they go down again. They have the green chips again, but we still have lots of red. Why? Because they need to get more stock in hand. So organization, basically the institution, basically, they will start to decrease the price. They will make some illusion to you. Oh, this is a peak because we hit some resistance. And then they start to have the green chips and people start to sell here again. Okay. And then they buy here. They boom. You see the red, they going up. And what happened is when it is over 50, 50 is around here. When it's over 50, you see, when they have a lot of control already, the stock continuously going up. Okay, and this is very typical for wave 1 and wave 2 and wave 3. Okay, what happened to wave 4? Wave 4 is the same thing. They shake out the individual. So the red is going down, but also when the red going down, and if you compare with YM Club Long, the YM Club Long also going down. Okay, so you mean it is a downtrend. It is a downtrend. And what happened is when we see the blue, let's say you bought the stock when around here. let's say this is the wave, this is wave 3, right? Here, you bought the stock here. Also, the red is above the purple. The purple is moving average of the red, and the purple is going up. We bought here. This is one of excellent points. Okay, very safe. And the wait and go all the way up. And the red, the peak is going lower and lower and lower. You see, the peak is going lower and lower and lower. So, and also the blue become downward. Okay, so this is one of the sell signals. So let's say you sell around here, it's still fine. You make how much profit? Basically, from this is 165 to here is 475. Is it good enough? This is, wow, this is actually this year. So it's pretty good profit. So wait, let's say you bought here and you're selling the stock. Let's say you don't know what's going on here. You're still going up, you hold the stock. But now you see the red is going down. The peak of the red is going down, you see? So let's say you sell here because they drop below the blue. How much profit you make here is 172% in 160 days. So is it good? Yes, because this is really good. I mean, if you want to make profit from the trading market, suppose you should trade like this, okay? Rather than to trade some stock like up and down, up and down, up and down, okay? If you have a lot of green, you will have a very stressful trading life, okay? So right now what happened is still a lot of green here. So actually one of my friends sent me this Snow. Snow is a tech company. So what happened is it's still a lot of red, so the green. So we need to wait to shake out the green if you want to be a stable investor, okay, stable trader. And what happened is also going up, the number of days will be short compared to the one with a lot of the red. The number of days continues to go up is much longer for one. Of course, they will have some pullback. But at least the pullback is not too much, and they don't really drop below the blue. If they drop below the blue, they come up again very quickly. Okay, so actually when they go back to the blue, they have one green candle to go above the blue again. This is a buy point. Okay, buy point. Okay, so this is a really good indicator for you to trade for long term. Okay, if you want to hold it forever, you need more skill. But this is, I just tell you roughly how to buy for wave 3, because wave 3 is the one who really run long. The bull one is the longest usually, and also the biggest, the range. Okay, so wave 1 is the red chips going up, and wave 2 is the pullback, right? Remember, wave 2 is pullback, and they have to shake out some people. It's possible they go back to the bottom of the wave 1, by the way, and shake out the people, and then the red go up again. Usually wave 2, they still have some red here. Okay, so what happened to the NVIDIA? Can we do NVIDIA? It's not too bad, but at least we don't have the green. Okay, so it's good. So this is no. We still have a lot of green, right? And how about the Alibaba? Alibaba is a Chinese stock, and it still have a lot of green. And some people ask me, how about the YM entry? So this can tell you the fund coming in, but it doesn't mean they have enough holding. It only tell you they come in, but it doesn't mean they have enough holding. So for example, this one, they have a lot of green come in around this area, but do they have the control yet? Look at this, the green, so much green here. So it's up, down, up, down, up, down. It's very frustrating. So if you really want to trade for wave 3, the longest one, wave 3, you really need this indicator called ymchannel, and subscribe it right now and try to look for the stock 1. Look at the blue line. the trend first. Look at the blue line, the trend first. And then look, the second one is look at this YM chippers to look if they have enough red. Is it minimum 50 or even 75? Then you are safe to trade. So for example, this Alibaba, wow, there's a lot of green. So you see when they have a lot of green, what happened? The stock going down, going down, going down. And they have a lot, okay, when they accumulate enough red, they will start to fry. Okay, if you want to buy at the bottom, I also have strategy, but today I just want to focus how to buy stably. This strategy is not, the purpose is how to sit and take the profit like for wave free. Okay, so you will forget about the bottom. So basically when you eat a fish, you don't eat the head, you don't eat the tail, we just eat the body, and then you feel safe. This is this video about, okay? So I'm not teaching you to buy at the bottom, okay? So if you look for the cheap, very, very bottom, this video is not for you. You can just click exit this video, okay? But this video is about how to buy and sit the stock, okay? So buy and hold the stock. And one thing I want to mention is the wave 1 and wave 2 could be really long sometimes. Like it can take long time for the market to build the base. For example, basically Bitcoin is the same thing. If we look at the Bitcoin, basically it takes years to build the base, right? So you see how long does it take to build the base here? It's really long. It's really long. You see the red is a lot, very low. Even they have chips coming in, but still very low. They have a lot of the individual lock chips. Basically, they lost money. Okay, from the top. Usually they buy from the top. And this range is inside the rectangle box. If you see it from here. So even you buy at the bottom, right? Until here, basically. Okay. So basically, if you, let's say you buy at the bottom, you still need to wait for 1 year. Like well, let's say this one, not 1 year, but you still need to wait for a long time here, right? So if you don't want to waste the time, if you want to buy at the starting point, basically you really need this indicator called YM chip pass. Okay. So this is the update today, and this video is very critical. If you like this kind of content, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And for the Christmas coming, I will also have a new promotion for you guys. And check the next video. I will show you more about the trading strategy. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And I see you in the next video. Love and peace. Bye.